If you need to restore OneDrive to a previous date and time, there are really three possible ways to do it, depending on what you're trying to recover. You might need to restore deleted files from the recycle bin, roll back an older version of a single file, or in some cases, restore your entire OneDrive to an earlier point in time. In this video, I'll walk you through all three methods step by step so you can get your files back quickly and safely. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open OneDrive in your web browser and sign in to your Microsoft account. It's important to use the account that actually has access to the files you want to restore. Once you're inside OneDrive, take a look at the left sidebar. If you deleted files or folders recently, the easiest place to start is the recycle bin. Click Recycle Bin and you'll see items that were removed from your OneDrive. Now browse through the deleted items and select the files or folders you want to bring back. If there are multiple items, you can select more than one at a time. After selecting them, click Restore. OneDrive will return those files to their original location automatically. This is the fastest way to recover deleted content, and in many cases it solves the problem right away. If the file was not deleted, but instead changed or overwritten, then you'll want to use version history. To do that, go back to My Files and find the document, spreadsheet, or file you want to roll back. Right-click the file, then choose Version History. OneDrive will show you a list of previous versions with timestamps, so you can compare and choose the one from the date and time you want. Select the older version that matches the point in time you need. Depending on the file type and your account settings, you may see options like Restore or Download. If you choose Restore, that older version becomes the current version of the file. If you choose Download, you can save a copy of that earlier version to your device without replacing the current one. This is very useful if you want to keep both versions. Now, if you're looking to restore an entire OneDrive to an earlier date and time, that option is usually available only for some accounts. This is more common with Microsoft 365 subscriptions, business accounts, or school accounts that have advanced recovery features enabled. If your account supports it, Microsoft may allow you to restore your OneDrive to a previous point in time, which can help after a large accidental deletion, ransomware issue, or major unwanted change. If you do see that full restore option, follow the on-screen instructions carefully and choose the date and time you want to go back to. Before confirming, always review what will be affected, because a full restore can change many files at once. It's a powerful recovery tool, but you want to use it only when you really need to roll back the whole drive. A good tip is to always double check whether your issue is deletion, file versioning, or full account recovery. That makes it much easier to pick the correct method and avoid restoring the wrong thing. Also, if you're not sure, start with Recycle Bin first, then Version History, and only use a full OneDrive restore if your account supports it. So to recap, if files were deleted, use the Recycle Bin and click Restore. If a file was changed, open Version History and restore an older version. And if you need to go back to a previous date and time for the entire OneDrive, check whether your Microsoft account supports full restore. Those are the main ways to recover OneDrive content safely. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.